Exclusive on MySoundBit.com. Eina, spec beat.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, make sure you hit that subscribe button, like for real y'all, so that you can see more videos because I have so much in store for y'all. But in this video, I'm going to be showing y'all how I install these soft locks on my client. And as you can see, the first thing that I do is that I braid my client's hair individually before I crochet these locks inside. This is the Bobbi Boss Nu Locs, and I was using the color M1B30. I basically attach the hairs before I even start installing these locks, just because it makes it easier for me to go quicker and everything. So the first thing that I do is I basically crochet the locks inside. So I crochet it in, pull it out, making sure that at the roots it's really tight. Then I take a little piece of Marley hair in the same color M1B, and I just start wrapping from the root going till the end of my client's hair. You want to make sure as you're wrapping that you are not wrapping too tight, because you don't want it to be very stiff. You want it to be as loose as possible, and you just wrap it until you get to the end of your client's hair. That gives it a more neater look, even though it is still kind of like a messy look. It just makes the roots look more neater, just so it can last longer. So I'm basically just doing the same thing, and to go faster, I just like crochet it into like half of the hair before I take the little piece of the Marley hair to start wrapping it. So as you can see right now, I'm just crocheting them in before I start to wrap it. That really makes me go faster, y'all. Like, it takes me like 2.5 hours to do this style, and I love these locks, yo. Like, I love it. It's just soft and long and just very easy to really handle, and I just love it. I love it, and I promise y'all it can last you a long time as long as you moisturize your roots and just really just keep them neat. It can really last you, and the longer that you have it, the more natural it looks, and that's what I really love about it. But yes, as you can see, I'm now going back in and just wrapping it with the Marley hair. And I just wrap till I get to the end of my client's hair. That's really all that you do.
Exclusive on MySoundBit.com. Eina, spec beat.